So let's have this problem. So to find the derivative for the product rule, and this is the formula. So we have u times v, and for the derivative, that's v times du plus u times dv. So for this given, to find the derivative, so this is u and this is v. So we have u times v. Then to find the derivative, so for u, that is equal to 5x plus 6. Then du, or the derivative of u, so the derivative of 5x, that's 5. And the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So du is equal to 5. Then for v, that's 3x minus 5. Then for dv, or the derivative of v, so the derivative of 3x, that's 3. And the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So dv is equal to positive 3. Then to find now the derivative, substitute now all the values using this formula. So we have v and v, that's 3x minus 5, then times du, and du, that's positive 5, then plus u is 5x plus 6 times dv, and dv, that's positive 3. Then simplify, so this 3x times 5, that's 15x, and negative 5 times 5, that's negative 25. Then plus 5x times 3, that's 15x, and positive 6 times 3, that's positive 18. Then combine like terms, so this 15x plus 15x, that's 30x, and this negative 25 plus 18, this is negative 7, so this is now the derivative. Then for this given, so to find the derivative, so this is u and this is v. So u, that's 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Then for the derivative of u, so the derivative of 2x squared, this is 4x. Then for the derivative of negative 3x, that's negative 3. And the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So du is 4x minus 3. Then for v, that's 6x squared plus 5. Then for the derivative of v, so the derivative of 6x squared, this is 12x. And for the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So dv is equal to 12x. Then to find the derivative, so substitute now all the values to this formula. So we have v and v, that's 6x squared plus 5, then times du, and du, that's 4x minus 3, then plus u, and u is 2x squared minus 3x plus 4, then dv, and dv, that's positive 12x. Then to simplify, so this 6x squared times 4x, this is 24, x to the power 3, and 6x squared times negative 3, that's negative 18, x to the power 2, then 5 times 4x, that's positive 20x, and 5 times negative 3, that's negative 15, then plus 2x squared times 12x, that's 24x to the power 3, negative 3x times 12x, that's negative 36x to the power 2, and 4 times 12x, that's 48x. Then combine like terms. So this 24x to the power 3 plus 24x to the power 3. This is 48x to the power 3. Then this negative 18x to the power 2 and negative 36x to the power 2. So since the same negative, so you add. So this is negative 54x to the power 2. Then this positive 20x and positive 48x. This is equal to positive 68x. Then bring down this negative 15. So this is now the derivative.